If you're having issues, you're going to have this result when you're printing with your printer. So I'm going to tell you my experience, how I was able to fix this, how I was able to solve the problem of using glue all the time. So in the past, I used to use glue almost in every printing, and after the solution that I'm going to tell you, all those problems were gone. So when I bought this printer that you see here, the first printer I bought, it was the P1P. So this printer is very good. I like it a lot. So the problem, I bought the cheapest one, and it was just the frame by itself. It has no cover, no nothing. So I was reading on internet, and some people were saying that if you're having problems with the temperature, because you are printing the nozzle, you have one temperature, and the rest of the material start, cooling down faster, and then you're going to have, issues like this, that is ungluing some parts or something like that. So that was the main thing. And even if you use a lot of glue, it's going to stick, on the plate, but in some parts it's going to start, sticking out. So basically, that was one of the issues. And another problem that I was having that I didn't realize, I was using the wrong temperature with the plastic. So if you use a PLA or ABS or something else, make sure that you have the right temperature. If you have the wrong temperature, you're going to have issues. If you have the right temperature, everything should work out just fine. And if you're having issues, that is the whatever you're printing, maybe just in the middle is ungluing or something like that, and you're having that problem, is the case itself. After I turned this printer from P1P to P1S, so all those problems were gone. So everything was solved. I didn't have to use glue anymore. I just can send it to print, and that's it. I don't have to deal with the layers, coming unglued or something like that, or looking weird. It works just fine. It works at once with this. So you will see that it's very warm or hot, and it works. So it keeps all the temperature inside from the side and everything. So this kit, you're going to spend maybe 150, 200, but I saw another one that is kind of a case with a zip, and it's cheap. It's like wrapping it in plastic bag basically. And if you want to use that, great. Otherwise, after I did this, it works amazing. This printer is, I tried many. The cheapest one, Creative one, it was one of the first one that I got. I got another one, one of the cheapest one on Amazon. It was a disaster. I got rid of all that. I bought this one, and it works every time. The only thing, if I have to buy it all over again, what I would do is buy this with the kit and everything, because if you buy the one with the frame and then you have to put all this kit, you're going to spend many hours, and it doesn't make any sense. To me, it's better just buy whatever you need at once, and that's it. And if I have to start all over again, instead of buying this one, I would buy the biggest one that they make. So that way, because sometimes you have to print things, and maybe you have to print half and then the other half. But if you have something bigger, you can print everything at once, and that's it. I don't use it every day, maybe once every 2 months or something like that, or maybe once a month, just for a few things that I need to fix or repair or something like that. For that, it works. And I'm very happy with this brand. Customer service is kind of sucks, is bad, but the printer, the quality is good. So if you were having those issues, hopefully with this video was the help that you were needed. So basically, 1, make sure that you have the right temperature in the nozzle and the plate. 2, try to put something around the frame, so that way you don't have issues with the temperature of the pieces, losing the temperature. And that's it. So if you buy this, great. If you wrap it up with something else, I think it may do the trick as well. So hopefully you have enjoyed this video. If you need parts or anything, just let me know. I am in US. Otherwise, I'll leave you in the video description the links so that way you can buy it yourself. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.